Hello, welcome back to Integrated Communication Skills Training Program. In this program, we are discussing our module. In the first chapter, a time to remember, under subtopics 5 and 7, we see speaking, subtopics speaking. In the fifth subtopic, tell me about yourself, interview your friend. Here, we are going to learn, tell me about yourself, interview your friend. A friend is interviewing another friend, then how do we ask questions? How do we frame questions regarding to that interview is given in the book. Today, let us learn those interview questions. First question, where did you go to middle school? Where did you go to middle school? From this question, we can frame the statement. Look at this sentence, where did you go to middle school? If you observe the verbs and the subject, you is the subject. So if you convert this question as a statement, let us write subject as first beginning. You, here did plus go, did plus present form of the verb is equal to past form of the verb went. So, you went to middle school in dash. So, this is the question. From this question, we framed statement. Where did you go to middle school? Did plus go will become went. Then we can write this as a statement. You went to middle school in. Now, we can answer that question. I went to middle school in Guntur. That is the answer for that question. Second question, were you a good student in middle school? Now from this question we can convert this into statement. Here were is the verb. Were itself acted as main verb in this sentence. So that's why when you bring this subject to the beginning of the sentence, it will become you were a good student. You were a good student in middle school. From this statement, this question framed. When you bring this word to the beginning of the sentence, it will become question. Were you a good student in middle school? That was the question. The answer will be yes or no, I was a bad student. Next, third question. What were your best subjects? Here, what is the subject? What is the subject? What were your best subject? Your best subjects. Your best subjects were here. Were is the verb here. Actually, were is the auxiliary verb. It acts here as main verb. Your best subjects were science, maths and English. Like that we can answer that question. What subjects didn't like? Actually, what subjects he missing? What subjects you didn't like? Subjects you didn't like were mathematics and physics. This is the answer for that question. What subjects you didn't like? Here subjects you didn't like were. From this statement this question was framed, and if we change the subject, if I answer, I can answer like this. Subjects I didn't like were mathematics and physics. Next question. When did you first study in English? When did you first study English? Here the time is asking, or in which class you studied English. Look at this question. Look at the verb did and study. Did plus study will become studied. So from this question you can frame statement. You first studied. Did plus studied. You first studied English in 5th class. I first studied English in 5th class. Like that we can answer this question. Next question. What other languages can you speak? So here subject is you. Bring it to the beginning of the sentence. You can speak English and Hindi as other languages. Or if I tell the answer, I can speak Hindi and English as other languages. Next question. Do you have a big family? What is the subject here? You is the subject. Do plus have. This is how. This is how. As I told you in the simple past tense, you have a big family. From this question was framed. Do you have a big family? If you convert this question as a statement, you have a big family. Yes, I have. That is the answer. Next question. Did you enjoy your childhood? Here, if you observe the verb, did plus enjoy. Enjoyed. Subject is you. You enjoyed your childhood. From this statement, this question will be framed. Did you enjoy your childhood? Yes, I enjoyed my childhood. Like that we can answer. Next question. Did you have a pet? Did plus have is equal to had. In the simple past tense we knew that did plus have is equal to had. Had. Did plus have is equal to had. So, did you have a pet? Yes. You had a pet. Yes, I had a pet. Like that we can answer those questions. Who was your hero when you were a child? So here my hero was Chiranjeevi when I was a child. So like that we can answer that question. Your hero was dash when you were a child. So this is the statement, and from this statement we framed that question. Who was your hero when you were a child? My hero was Chiranjeevi when I was a child. Like that we can answer that question. Did you used to have a nickname? In the previous class I told you how to use it to. When frame questions, we have to use did plus used to, did plus used to, did plus used to. Did you used to have a nickname? For this statement will be like this. You used to have a nickname. Yes, I used to have a nickname. My nickname was Cherry. So like that we can answer all these questions. For the listening test, we can learn all these things, and at the examination you will be asked, speak about your childhood days, speak about your middle school days. Like that we can speak so many sentences. How to frame questions and how to answer those questions. Okay, this is how we tell about ourselves. It's very important. It is under speaking in the first chapter. Okay, thank you for watching this video.